Hello, my name is Darwin Camilo Rosero. I am agronomy student at UNAD. I am currently in my sixth semester. This video is part of my English B1 course, and today I am going to tell about my town, Cali, Valle del Cauca. For this video, I chose the What to Do section from my travel blog. Um, I chose section because it knows the most important activities that visitors can enjoy and Cali and helps people understand the culture of the city. When you visit Cali, there are many activities you should do. First, you must try the local food, especially sancocho and pan de bono, because they represent the traditional gastronomy of the region. If you like dancing, you should take a salsa class. Cali is known as the salsa capital of the world, so you can feel the true spirit of the city through music and dance. You could also go to a traditional salsa club and night enjoy the atmosphere. In addition, you should visit the Cerro de las Tres Cruces, where you can enjoy an amazing view of the entire city of Valle del Cauca. If you do good during the day, you will have a safer and more enjoyable experience. In conclusion, Cali is a city full of culture, music, and delicious food. If you visit it, you will discover unique experience of fortale moments that and Cali should definitely be your of travel book list. Thank you very much for watching video. I hope you enjoyed in Ireland something new about Cali. Goodbye and see you next time.